Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to create the first thing, which is going to be a variable man age. Okay, so it's going to equal 65, and then we're going to do another scalar variable woman age is equal to 60, and then nationality, scalar nationality equal to British. Okay, right, we're going to create a subroutine called check age. Okay, so check age here. So print claim old age pension. Okay, and then we're going to print, say, enter age, and then we're going to do my scalar entry is going to be equal to standard input. So we're going to grab the user input here, and then we're just going to do jump the new line, scalar entry. Okay, and then we're going to print enter nationality. Enter nationality there. We're going to do another entry, standard input. We call it entry 2. To standard input. Okay, and then we're just going to chomp that there. Entry 2. Okay, and this is where we're going to start on our conditional here. So if scalar entry is equal to scalar man age, okay, and scalar entry 2 is equal to nationality, scalar nationality, and we're going to do something. You'll notice here as well that I've used this equal to man age because we're working with numerics here, and equal to nationality because this is going to be working with strings, so we have to do that. So we're going to print out a message to the user. You are a British man, 65 or older. You can claim a pension. Okay. And then we're going to have to do an else statement. Whoops, what have I done there? An else statement. Let's put that one over there. Else. There we go. Let's just pop that down there. Okay. No, not an else. We're going to do an else if. So knock out that. We're going to do an else if statement. So else if, let's say, scalar entry is equal to scalar woman age and scalar entry 2 is equal to scalar nationality I'm going to have to do something. I'm going to type print you are a British woman 60 years or older. You can claim a pension. Okay, pension. Okay, so we're going to go down here and I'm going to do the final else statement here. So else just push that back there. Else print you do not qualify for a pension. Okay, now all we're going to do is we're going to call this, hopefully I won't have made any typos in there, so I'm going to call it check age. Okay, let's push that down a little bit to make it look a bit neater. Okay, we'll just save it and hopefully we can run it now. And we got a few little issues here. Okay, I just moved this, it was down there, so I just moved that. So let's just try it now, let's just save it. Okay, let's just run it. Okay, so claim old age pension. So first of all, enter age. So I'm going to say I'm 55. Okay, I'm from India. Okay, so it's telling me you do not qualify for a pension. Okay, so I'm going to run it again and I'm going to say I'm 67. Enter nationality British. Okay, let's hit that. Oh, you do not qualify for a pension. Okay. Okay, right, let's have a look here. I think I made a little mistake here. So this should be greater than or equal. So if man age is greater than or equal to, okay, if entry is greater than or equal to man age, so if it's greater than 65 or equal to it, okay, I'm going to just change this here. So it's going to be greater than or equal to. Right, let's just run that and see if we get it right. Okay, so I'm going to enter 67, so it's greater than. Okay, and British. Okay, there we go. You are a British man, 65 or older. You can claim a pension. Okay, let me run that for the woman. So the woman's age has got to be 60 before she can claim a pension. So let's just run that. So I'm going to say 61. So that's greater than 61. Okay, British. Okay, so you are a British woman, 60 years or older. You can claim a pension. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And remember to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.